Connected to Calgary, this is CTV News.
All but one of the 10 candidates for mayor today showed up for the first big debate of the campaign. The only topic up for discussion was affordable housing. There are nearly 4,000 people waiting for homes in Calgary. All candidates agreed on the importance of this issue and the need to fight NIMBYism. One of the most popular ideas was to encourage basement suites. Candidates also discussed amnesty for illegal suites and encouraging more suites across the city. Others looked to neighbors like Edmonton or the United States for solutions. Mayoral candidate Wayne Stewart, a former CEO of the Calgary Homeless Foundation, believes what's needed is action.
There were some very good ideas that came up today. Very few of them were new. The issue is, how do we implement these good ideas? So let's get the good ideas on the table, but then let's commit to implementing them. That's where we've fallen down.